Back here on Bill's Alfa, Wes and I are doing a little checky list for the Copperstate coming up here at the end of the month. Bill's got 2 cars going, the Avani and the Alfa now. So while Wes is going through the tech form, we're kind of tag teaming that because I've done a million of them. But he's done similar things in the Army, so only this actually involves more than 1 page. Yeah, so we got that going. Wiper motor is back, so I will be showing you guys that in a little bit. All right, there is our wiper motor back from getting rebuilt, and it is splendid. Very, very nice. Yet another high quality item. So we'll be taking care of this, getting it all back together, and this baby's ready to roll. All right, so Wes and I, we've been doing the inspection, and I'm working on putting the wiper motor back. What'd you find, Wes?
You got a bad fuse.
Oh, well, that might be our turn signals or brake light issues, because we've had no turn signal, no brake lights on our inspection. So Wes gonna pop that fuse out.
At least there's not a nut in it.
I believe we saw that the other day. Wes took a picture of it. It's kind of ridiculous. So, all right. Fun times, sir.
Oh, yeah.
So let's get that fuse out. I think there's some of those fuses around here.
Okay, I'll go look.
Cool. Hey, look, we have turn signals, everybody. Right turn. Let me go look at it backside before you hit the handle. Okay, give me a left turn. We got left turn. Let me go look at the front. Left turn, good. Go ahead and turn them off. You want to push that brake pedal?
Yeah.
Hit the brakes, sir. Brake lights! Woohoo! Alright, so everything is hooked up. Our wiper motor is in. It's set up. Everything is perfect. But we still have no wiper. But when we tested this prior, we had power to, but not power going into it. So we're gonna backtrack on the wiring and see where we need to go. Come on. So I adjusted the carburetors a little bit, adjust the idle mixture, adjust the idle speed. Way happier than we were. This thing was all grumpy. Now it's pretty well behaved. Minor adjustments of carburetor. Happy. She's frisky. She's ready to go.
Bellissimo! Super Mario Brothers! Spaghetti and meatball!
Beep-a-da-bop-a-da-boop-a-da-bop!